Love it or hate it, the FlyLady is the most well-known cleaning routine on YouTube. But today we are going to talk about all the reasons why people just don't connect with FlyLady. Back in 2009, when I was a young working mom of two, I was struggling with the cleaning, and basically I was looking for a cleaning miracle. And that's when I found the FlyLady. But it didn't work for me. Surprisingly, I was like so many others, it just did not work. Sadly, there just doesn't seem to be a magical cleaning system out there. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. So I just finished reading a book called Cleaning Sucks, and what was really amazing was they described cleaning more of an ebb and flow, and if you think of it that way, it makes total sense. Tides are reliable. They come in, they go out on a set schedule, and messes are going to happen the same way. You are going to have a mess every morning after you get ready, every day when you make a meal. It's that ebb and flow in cleaning that makes it where you have to be consistent. You just have to be. How many times have you tried and failed or quit a cleaning system because there wasn't a magic one and done method? I know I have. The first problem with FlyLady is it's way too complicated. You know what I mean. You got excited about finding a solution. You went to the website to learn all that you can and get started today. We're revved up and ready to go, and then bam, you're smacked in the face with about 1,000 words on a page and flashing advertisements and all kinds of everything everywhere. Buy this stuff, look here, look there. We're talking zone cleaning, we're talking daily focus, we're talking, spring cleaning, we're talking, testimonials and testifies and all this terminology that you don't even know what she's talking about at all. And so like an hour later, you're sitting there feeling overwhelmed and already like you've failed at something when you haven't even gotten started. And that isn't because you failed, it's because she failed to connect and make it simple and easy. And other cleaning routines have found a way to make it easier, but FlyLady hasn't. And that is one of the key reasons why I think so many people right from the start quit. In a nutshell, the website is too much. There's just too much everywhere. It's very overwhelming. On top of that, then you've got to talk about a 31-day baby step system to get started. Now, I don't know about you, but when I get all excited about something, I am like in the moment ready to start. If I have to delay starting, odds are I'm probably not gonna actually do it. How many times have I delayed getting on the treadmill because I didn't have a cute workout outfit, or didn't start a diet because I didn't have the diet food in the refrigerator, right? We're looking for an excuse to not do it. And when you give me a 30-day plan to get started, that is very overwhelming. Plus, during that 30-day plan, very few of the days are actually cleaning days. It's a lot of mindset. Now, I am 100% not saying that it's not a really effective 31-day system. I did well with it when I failed 3 times. And then decided to do it the right way. But the first 3 times, it was just too much. And not very many people are as stubborn as I am, and they're not gonna keep coming back begging a system to work. Now, I did simplify the baby steps down to less than 2 weeks, and if you're wanting to get started and give this a go, and you don't wanna try the 30-day baby steps like she wrote it, check out the video. I'll put it in the iCards. It is a focused cleaning baby step starter pack that I put together that I have had great success with. So many people are loving that because it cuts the fluff. Or you can just download the printable that I have on my website todaywithterrik.com, and that will walk you through all 31 days of her baby steps, because again, I do think it's a good plan. I just think it's overwhelming for a newbie. So problem number 2 is that for those of us who struggle with attention problems, so I have ADHD, and I'm not going to be choosing to read all of the emails, go through the website and read like 1,000 paragraphs on how to start things and all the different methods to do things. If there's a shorter option like a video that's short and to the point, I'm always going to choose that. And yes, she does have videos. She has a lot of videos and she's on almost every day, a couple of times a day. But the issue that I have is that it doesn't have a lot of meat to it. A lot of that is chit chat, it's lifestyle, it's community, which are all fine and good. But as a newbie to her system, that doesn't fill you up and give you the information that you need to actually get started. The bottom line is I'm not sure if young moms are connecting with the FlyLady the way they connect to other cleaning influencers who are out there. Hey guys, today it is time to take those 31 baby steps and cut the fluff. Let's see if we can get this challenge started with just 2 weeks. My own daughter would never try it. She just completely turns her nose up to it because it's just not relevant, she doesn't feel, to her lifestyle. And to be honest, I see her point a little bit. So if you're looking for other cleaning influencers that you would like to check out, or cleaning influencers who break down the FlyLady system a little bit easier, I'm gonna link a video in the iCards that is simply amazing, and it's some of my very favorite cleaning YouTubers. And problem 3 is it's just too big, possibly. And problem 3, I think that FlyLady is just too big at first, with all of the long lists of daily focus, daily routines, zone cleaning checklists, all of this, and it all alternates and it rotates, and there's spinning cups and plates and all this stuff. It's just a lot. Guys, it's just a lot. But while I do agree that it is a lot for a newbie, I would say that with all of the research that I've done, and if you haven't seen the massive amount of research that I've been doing on other plans, I will put that in the description below and link it at the end. But with all of that being said, I still find the FlyLady as a really good, solid base for anyone that is slightly more experienced with cleaning. So once you've got the habits and the routines built, there's not another cleaning routine out there that really balances all of the responsibilities of the house, including going to the grocery and cleaning out the car and all of these other things. No one is doing the things that she does. So while it's hard at first, if you really stick with it, you will get a well-rounded, more robust cleaning system that tackles all areas of your life. And that is what is so beautiful about her system, and that is why we're all so loyal to her system, because all the other systems are like elementary school. They're going to teach you the basics. This is how to clean, and that is it, and then it's up to you. With the FlyLady, she builds you from like crawling to walking to elementary school, and then she takes you from there into the middle school of daily focus, and then high school into the zone cleaning. And by the time you kind of understand it all, you've got a lot of really good habits. Now, I'm not saying that it's perfect, but if you want to see a real life day of full FlyLady everything, I will link it here, and you can see how I make it work. And guys, I promise you that I'm not special and I am not perfect, and I mess it up all the time. So I'm going to give you 2 options. If you want to check out the FlyLady that I do, check it here. And if you want to see what other routines are out there and maybe giving something else a try, I'll link it right here. So guys, have a blessed day, and I will see you next week.